Welcome to my crash course in Human-Centered Design, also known as HCD. This course is for you if you've heard of HCD or design thinking and you want to learn more about it. Or you've done some reading or training in HCD, but you still don't quite get it. That's normal. Or you're ready to use HCD, but you don't know where to start. My name is Ryan Tracy, and I'm a Senior Learning and Development Professional in the corporate sector. I've also worked in higher education and government, and I'm a certified HCD practitioner. I believe HCD can boost our performance, both as individuals and businesses, but I also believe the way it's presented to newcomers tends to be vague and overly complicated. I'm a very pragmatic person, so this course is designed to cut through all the jargon and the hype and give you the basic tools you need to start using HCD today. I'll walk you through a straightforward 4-step process, and at each step I'll share 3 things that you can do immediately. So if you want to get up to speed in HCD in half an hour and start using it to solve the problems that matter, join me.